Hi guys, I'm Don from City Warmth here in Brighton. Welcome to our brand new heat pump channel. We created this space to serve as an ever-growing library of resources, detailed but simple user guides and behind-the-scenes footage from our own air source heat pump installations. Our main goal is to help homeowners truly understand this technology, whilst providing a clear, practical reference point for operating your system and controls. Air source heat pumps can be simple if related to everyday scenarios and explained well. Let's see if I can achieve that. Like our other content, these videos are designed first and foremost for our own customers, but you can expect step-by-step instructional guides for common controls, expert tips to maximize your efficiency, and quick troubleshooting walkthroughs for common fault codes of the heat pumps that we typically install. On top of that, we will answer your most frequently asked questions and take you along on our live jobs. If you aren't a City Warmth customer yet, but you live in Brighton and Hove or any of the surrounding areas and would like to have our team install your new air source heat pump, please give the office a call today. As a certified Heat Geek firm, we look forward to installing your new system or servicing your existing heat pump soon. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.